Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a little decorating for fall and some cleaning. I also got some new furniture and some new decor that I want to talk about. I'm going to be doing all of my fall florals and of course sharing with you my fall candle collection as well as my favorite cleaner to use this time of year. So what color themes are you guys going with for your fall decor? This year, I just wanted to stick with things that I already had, and then I'm just adding in a couple new pieces here and there. And I will link everything down below. I'm switching out my dining room chairs because these chairs have taken quite the beating. There's stains on them. I've tried to clean them several times, and it's just beginning to be too much. They're upholstered, and we've had them for quite some time. So like the support isn't really there. So I found these chairs on TJ Maxx and they were for a complete steal. I think that they had them in black too. And the thing I love most about them is that the cushion unzippers so I can wash them. So it's gonna be much easier for me to maintain and to keep clean with the kids. And I just love this Antelope print. I think it's really pretty, but they sent me the wrong size. This is the 12 by 20. So I'm gonna buy pillows that can fit with this one, and then I also ordered more and they are the 20 by 20. So I'll link everything down below. I just pulled out my fall decor bins. So last year I went with this really pretty blue color. So I think this year I'm gonna incorporate some of this really pretty like peachy color. And then in this bin I have some pretty flowers, and then what I'm gonna put over like my TV on the fireplace. And then I love these really sparkly pumpkins. So I just picked up these from Amazon. I think they're called chrysanthemum balls or chrysanthemum flowers. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I thought they were adorable. They have a bunch of really pretty colors and they're so easy to decorate with. And I just thought that they would be perfect for fall, and then I can also use them in the spring. So I'm switching out my arrangements from the summer and I'm just putting in some gray. These large peonies are really pretty for the fall and through the winter. It's super simple and I like to just switch them out like every season or so. And most of my florals I get at Michael's or even on Amazon. They have some really good finds. To make some room in my cabinet for my fall candle collection. Here's what I have. Some of these are from last year. Some of these I always repurchase, like leaves. I always repurchase. I like this cider lane a lot. The blueberry maple pancakes, I don't love it. It's very strong and I feel like it has like a chemical kind of scent to it. The pumpkin pecan waffles, I always get this pumpkin vanilla cream. I actually bought off of Mercari, and same with the warm apple pie because it sells out so quick. And then I also just picked up the sugared cherry crisp. I thought that looked good. So I need to organize my candles and get these guys to fit. So I was able to fit 6 in here. I'm really excited about that. And I also have just like a ton of sanitizers in here, and then I keep like my little wallflowers. Actually, I need to get something to stick them in so they're not like falling all over the place. I think I have like a little extra glass jar that I'll probably just stick them in. So I'm just gonna tidy up the little eating kitchen area, and I did get new chairs. These ones are from TJ Maxx. I think I'd mentioned earlier. I got them like 2 for like $2.50 something, like really good deal. These chairs just look way better. They just fit the space better. The other ones were too tall and too overpowering, so I'm really happy. If I can still find them, I will link them down below. For the cleaner today, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's. This is the one in the scent Mum. It is my absolute favorite for this time of year. It is so good. That one and the peony one are my 2 favorites by Mrs. Meyer's.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
So I decided to lay out all of my decor. I just figured it'd be easier to just see everything that I have and then kind of figure out where I want to start placing things. I got these really cute pumpkin sprays last season and I went to go back and get more and they were completely sold out. So I was only able to just get those two, which is fine, but I was looking for more. And this candle is in leaves, one of my favorite scents. I always look back at these cleaning videos and it is so quick that it shows the vacuuming and the mopping. If only it was that quick. It's actually very long and very painful.
Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
So last year I used the green and the pink colored pumpkins and decor upstairs in my office. But this year I have the little entryway and I figured that it would look absolutely perfect. So I'm really happy with how it came out. Just a little hint of decor, nothing crazy. Just want to keep it super simple this year. This part is the best. When I tell you I was getting so frustrated with this thing falling up, it was like, oh. I had to walk away because I was gonna lose it. But eventually I got it to stay. And then I put the candlesticks back. I just thought that it gave it a little extra something, just give it a little bit more height towards the end. And I am really happy with the way that it came out. Just simple, but yet enough. So I'm just gonna quickly clean up the kitchen area, just remove everything off the surface, put everything away. It's kind of like a catch-all on the counter. And I just want everything put away where it should be. I got these beautiful cherry blossoms off Amazon. I will link them down below. I think they're absolutely perfect for all year round. And then I just placed a couple pumpkins to add a little seasonal decor. So I'm just gonna let the music play in the background while I finish cleaning up the rest of the kitchen, and then I have a little bit more decorating to do. I figured it would just be more relaxing to listen to the music than to listen to me talk. So these flowers are the same as those pinky peach ones I showed you earlier. I did get them off Amazon. I will link this color down below as well. I believe this is the light blue or the gray color, but anyway, you just kind of have to fluff them and play with them a little bit. And then I just start stacking them around the perimeter. I did have to bend these because they are a bit longer for this pot. But basically, I just kind of started stacking them around the perimeter and then slowly built it up to my liking. So I had some extra pumpkins. I decided to place them in the kitchen area and then put them in the jar. I thought that that would look cute. So I'm all done decorating with what I have. I'm just using everything that I have pretty much this year. I bought a couple new pieces as you saw, but the main thing is to just keep it really simple and just work with what I have, and then each year just slowly add some new pieces. So I hope you guys like this. I hope it gave you some motivation. So everything that I can still find will be linked down below as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.